What's up everyone, welcome to Internet Moola. In this video I will show you how to use this free application that will help you to secure and make your internet faster. So all you have to do is type 1.1.1.1 and then click enter. So as you see, you're gonna find this page, and as you see, this application available for App Store, which means iPhones, and for the Android system, so all the smartphones with Android systems can use this application too, this VPN for free. Also, you can use this application on your Mac OS or for Windows laptops. So as you see here, you're one tap away from a safer internet. So all you have to do is download this application. I'm gonna show you how to download this application on your Windows PC or laptop. So click like that and then download. After that, click on the exe file to install this application. So easy, there is no problem in the installation of this application. And then all you have to do is click on the start button or search bar to search Cloudflare or just click in this icon, show hidden icons, and then you're gonna find Cloudflare WR. So as you see here, we're now disconnected, and as you see, your internet is not private. So click like that to connect the application with the internet and make your internet safer and private. So now you can search on internet without any problem, and there is no problem by using this application for free, and I'm sure you're gonna appreciate this application and like it. So that's it. If you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye.